Hi guys, welcome back to Crypto Ahoy. My name is Giovanni and I have some really great news regarding Shibarium that I would like to share with you today. So make sure you watch the video till the end so you could get all the info. If you find this video to be informative and helpful, make sure to smash that like button, also subscribe, activate the notification bell so you'll be notified on all my future videos regarding Shibarium, Bone Token, Shiba Inu, Liege, and all the other coins, coin reviews, price predictions, and all that good stuff here on my channel. So make sure you subscribe, activate the notification bell. And before we jump right in, just a quick reminder, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research and only invest what you're willing to lose. So with that said, let's jump right in. Shibarium is coming, and it looks like it's coming real soon. Most likely, it looks like it's going to happen this year, which is really great because that's what we all want. We really want Shibarium to already be up and running, functioning, because it's gonna give a lot of benefits for everyone. And why is this important? Well, Shibarium, if you guys watch my previous video on whales, and also my other videos regarding Bone Token, well, pretty much everything is going to be revolving around Shibarium. So Shibarium is going to become like the foundation of the Shiba Inu ecosystem. As some of you guys might know, if not all of you guys, that Shibarium is going to be holding the licensing for the Shiba Inu video game. Once Shibarium is established, the developers are planning to implement a blockchain, food chain based or something like that for the restaurant as well. For tracking. So they have a lot of things that they have planned, of course, and it's all revolving around Shibarium. So Shibarium is going to become the foundation. And what is that going to do with the Bone Token? Well, it's going to increase in value because what's going to be fueling or running Shibarium, right? It's going to be the Bone Token, as it's going to be a DAO. It's going to be the governance token. So you can see how this is going to quickly scale up. But I want to kind of just focus a little bit here on just the what phase Shibarium is currently on this article. And again, I will have, like I usually always do, I always have the source, the URL, for this article down in the description below, so you guys can go check it out if you guys want to read it. But it's really good news because we're starting to kind of get these rumors already, like I kind of mentioned on my last year videos and these videos as well, that we're gonna start to get, and pretty soon we're gonna start to get actual leaks and glimpses and sneak peeks and previews. But let's kind of read here this article that says Shibarium, and it says the following: Shiba Inu holders might soon get a glimpse of the Shibarium Layer 2 solution. The lead developer of SHIB, Satoshi Kusama, announced that Unification, a firm that is working on the L2 platform, is nearing the finish line. Satoshi stated that the private testnet of Shibarium has gone live and the team is working on the updates. However, the private testnet is not accessible to people outside the SHIB and Unification umbrella. So this is pretty much really good news because it's telling us that it's almost done. It is practically done, but they just want to make sure that everything is running smooth. And so for those of you who don't know, the testnet is like a little mini playground where they get to kind of test things out, kind of test run things, right? I don't know what to use in comparison, but it's like, where you're going to test cars before you send them out to the public, to commercial. You want to make sure that everything is working, make sure, like, for, when you're testing cars, that the airbag deploys, that, everything is running. If there's any bugs, they need to fix them. They check that, that is safe, of course. And so they have to make sure, and it is much less, it's not that pricey to do it there. And they get to test it because you don't get to use like real money, and you'll make sure that everything everything is written properly, everything is verified, whenever you do those transactions, and there's no fees, of course, that's one of the huge benefits. And you just get to test run it. You get to put how many tokens you want in your wallet to make sure that it functions, and it's pretty good, right? It's kind of like a little little mini playground, I guess. I don't know, but you get to kind of test that out. Similar to, I don't know if you guys ever use like some simulations for stock markets, that you get to kind of like you start off with a certain amount of fake money, or and then you get to buy stocks, but it's not real, right? But the information gathered is from the real stock market, from the S&P and all that. So it's gathered from real stocks, so the numbers are real, but you don't actually have real money. It's just like play money, and you don't actually own any stocks. It's just for you to kind of test things out to see if you like it and everything before you actually start putting your real money, which is the mainnet, because mainnet is going to be out, in the real world, I guess you could say so, like that, which is now it's going to involve for the investors and everyone to use real value, money pretty much. So you don't want to take that risk when you're still in the testing phase. So sorry to extend that. I just kind of wanted to give a little mini explanation about it so you can understand the current stage or phase that Shibarium is currently. Okay, so let's continue. And it says, after the private testnet is sorted and ready to go, the team will change to the public testnet mode. After that, Shiba investors can get a look at the Shibarium layer 2 workings. So it's still going to be at a testnet, but it's going to actually be in a public. So that means that we're going to be able to actually, take a look and kind of see it. I don't believe if we're going to be able to use it. I'm not quite sure, maybe, but it's kind of like beta, kind of below beta. But yeah, so we'll at least be able to look at it, right? And kind of have an idea and kind of have maybe a feel of what to expect. And then it says here, as per a Medium blog post by Unification, the devs have completed the first private testnet and are now working on the second testnet. The second version of Shibarium private testnet is live and under optimization across both teams, with plans of a public testnet release to come very soon. So here we have the Twitter, and then when you click on there, it'll bring us here to this Medium, which says the following. It says, in addition to the extensive network, protocol, and new partnership developments discussed above, Unification Foundation is proud to continue development of Shibarium, the next prominent L2 in partnership with the Shib Army, enabling rapid, low-cost transaction optimized for gaming. So this is awesome because this is one of the biggest concerns of everybody, actually, not just the developers, but also us, the investors. We see Ethereum, how the transaction fees are really, really high, to the hundreds of dollars. And I believe it even reached to like the $1,000 when there's just a lot of demand and the higher bidder gets to get the transaction to go through. And that's just how it is, simply because there's just too much. And they want to optimize this because this is going to allow then for, Shaboshis and the gaming, for all these transactions to flow much better and to be really economical, possibly zero fees or really low fees, similar to Polygon, how they run things. So this is going to be really, really awesome. Now, it says here on the second paragraph, while the scale of the project doesn't allow a definite timeline, so we don't know yet when to be released as of yet, the second version of Shibarium private testnet is live and under optimization across both teams, with plans of a public testnet release to come very soon. So pretty much what the other previous article was saying. So it's right here. We don't have a timeline. We can just speculate and kind of go by what they are saying, but we don't have an actual dates. But, I think if it gets, in my opinion, to be honest, I think it's going to happen either at the end of this year or at the beginning of next year. But that's just my prediction or what I see, my forecast, right? If I'm wrong, then it's great because the sooner we get it, the better. And, I really want this to be out sooner, but sometimes they can take a little bit longer simply because of all the test runs, fix the bugs. You want to make sure you iron out any little issues to make sure that once it's already out, it is the best version that it could be. And it's not going to be perfect. There's always going to be some little minor tweaks that we need to kind of fix. But overall, it's going to be up and running and safe, because that's really important. And before we jump into looking into the pricing, of Bone Token and, Shiba Inu, make sure to give it a like and also subscribe, activate the notification bell so you'll be notified of my future video. If you find this video to be informative and helpful, that will really help this channel to keep making more videos and provide the best content possible. So here we see the Bone Token price currently. It has gone up than what it was previously. It was around the 60s, low 60s or mid 60s. Now it's like towards the low, heading towards the mid 80s, 80 cents, so which is great. So it's slowly climbing back up. We also see here Shiba Inu that is already at 33, which is way better than at 21 because it was pretty low, but now it's slowly climbing up as well. So overall, we're starting to see a small increase because if you see the whole market is also kind of slowly going back up as well. We see how Bitcoin is already at 44,000. Ethereum is at 3,100. So it's since these ones are slowly climbing up, and I call these like little magnets, or better yet, not magnets, but like gravity pullers, because they pull whatever direction they go. It's like gravity. So if it's going up, they're gonna pull up. If their pricing goes down, then they start pulling, or like gravity pulling everything down. So it just is what it is right now in the market. I kind of wish it wasn't like that, but it is. So due to that, we see here that Bitcoin has gone up and Ethereum as well, which also means that the whole market kind of follows that same path. And that's why we see, Bone and Shiba Inu both with the pricing going up as well. Now, I do see the price to kind of improve right now. Most likely it's going to be sideways, but we should be able to see a boost once we start seeing more glimpses, more previews, more leaks, information about Shibarium. Once we start getting more concrete info about it, and we actually get to see it, more importantly, then that's going to start to increase the price of Bone as well as Shiba Inu. And once we start seeing more previews about the video game for Shiba Inu game, then that's also going to start to increase also the price of Shiba Inu. So what I kind of forecast, for the pricing is that throughout this year. So we just have to buckle up and hang on for the ride, because it's going to be bumpy. It's going to go up. It's going to go down like it usually does. But we should see a nice little boost once we start getting those leaks, that information out from the developers, and we actually get to have some real concrete news and dates. Once we start getting those dates in place, then we're gonna start seeing a real nice boost on the price. All right, guys, that's all the Shibarium updates I have for you today. If you find this video to be helpful and informative, make sure to smash the like button. Also, subscribe if you haven't yet already, and activate the notification bell so you'll be notified on all my future videos. And thank you for supporting this channel. Whenever you click on the links below for Webull, which you can also get $5 worth of cryptocurrency of your choice. The details will be down below in the description. As well, if you're going to get some free stocks, I believe right now they're offering 3 free stocks. If you want to take advantage of the offer, then the link and with all the details will be also down below. Thank you for also helping support this channel by buying the merch, which is also down below in the description. And again, thank you so much for watching, and remember to buy, hodl, sell, repeat. Till the next video. Peace.